Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Krystle Lucretia and I'm back with a new video, and on today's video we are on a flight from Berlin to Frankfurt, Germany, then to a very special place after that. Follow me along the journey. I've just had to do a voiceover because the plane was too loud. Business class, anyone? We just landed in Cuba called Oldwin. So now we gotta go through security checks again, put our luggage through, and then we get searched again. So guys, we're in a bit of dilemma. We arrived like an hour and 15 minutes ago. Our luggage is lost. We have just our hand luggage which came on the plane with us. Yeah, speechless. All you can do is kind of laugh at this point. So let's get this Jamaica video fully started with the beach, the hotel's grounds, and later will come the room tour. So I've just started at this point with the beach area. This is a section of the beach. It looks so beautiful, so unreal. There's like little fishes in the water. This was just at sunrise, so I was just taking in the views, getting my pictures in. Next, we come to the water sports area where you can go canoeing, you can go for a ride on a catamaran led by a member of staff. This is some footage from the catamaran. I went on it. It was amazing, fantastic views. I've got some underwater footage as well, a little bit, so I can show you guys, and this is at no extra cost. The stretch of beach at the Holiday Inn is amazing. You always can find a space to sit and enjoy your day. We'll come across the jerk hut very shortly. There, I would find myself nearly every day getting myself some jerk chicken, jerk pork, and some spicy sauce on the side. I usually ask for extra sauce because it was so good. So definitely check it out if you go to the Holiday Inn. It's delicious. Firstly, happy 61 years of independence, Jamaica. It was Independence Day on this day, and the hotel had decorated their main stage area and main pool area, so entertainment would be here every single night. Good entertainment. Here's the Barefoot Bar. They serve burgers, drinks, hot dogs, etc. This is the first bar that you will encounter after leaving the reception at the Holiday Inn. Moving on to the rest of the grounds, here's miniature golf. Then we come to the tennis courts. Big open area. They have tons of space. This is also a restaurant to your right here, and we'll come up to it. Now here's something for the gym heads. There is an on-site fitness center where you can get your fitness in and your workouts in. They also have a games area where you can play table tennis, etc. So let's move on to the rooms. There are different types of rooms. You have sea view, you have garden view rooms, all at different prices, but just basic. Just basic. The hotel does need updating, I will say that. But I mean, we're in Jamaica, we're not spending time in our rooms. Like, who wants to stay in your room when there's so much beautiful sunshine, blue seas, clear waters, water sports and all that? Nah, man, I'm not staying in my room. So here's just a bit of, you know, content for building structure, just so that you guys can see the architecture of the building, how the buildings are set out, how they're formed, so you can get a feel of what to expect. There's a lot of signage there, like directions where to go, so you won't get lost, because it is quite a big grounds, you know. And yeah. Shortly we'll be moving on to the adults only area. They have a pool and swim up bar with a jacuzzi, also plenty of deck chairs, plenty of space. Like, this area was very, very quiet, and I went in the height of summer. So this is the ends of the beach as well. Beautiful. This area was always like just peaceful, quiet. I used to come down here and just like literally look at the ocean, look at the beauty of Jamaica. I've missed Jamaica so much. I spent so many years not visiting because it's so damn expensive, but man, it was like truly a blessing to just be there. Like, I don't know why I was waiting so long to revisit. Well, we know, you know, money, but I needed more time. We needed more time together. Our time was too short. Due to the fact that we were revisiting customers, the Holiday Inn invited us to a manager's dinner, and it was superb. Fine dining, wine and dine, lovely soft bread, and the food, they had lobster. And it tasted good. Everything tasted good. Okay, here's like the canteen area, breakfast area. Here's some fruits. They always have fruits in the morning. They have beans there. I think that's beans, scrambled eggs, and like hard food and stuff like that. Crumbled egg. Yeah, exactly. That was usually my breakfasts that I had. You know, they had traditional Jamaican food. They had all types of food like sausages, eggs, beans, whatever. You can get your omelette freshly made for you in the mornings, which I would usually do, and it tasted good. Heading back to the beach now. The Holiday Inn has their own private island, which is there, but we'll move on to the private island. There it is, right there. Then we head over to the jacuzzi area. There's a jacuzzi overlooking the sea that you can, you know, indulge in. You know what I'm saying? Palm trees. Let me say coconut trees. Sorry, guys. Coconut trees. Yeah, here's a private island. So to go across there, you can go by foot. The water only reaches like maybe your waist side, and like it's amazing. Like, here was like basically in the evening, so it's a bit dark, but this was the private island. There's so much space, like it was never overfilled, and I went in the height of like summer, like when the kids are out and everything. You can also bring food over there, like if you go to Jerk Hut or something, or if you get a drink from the bar, you can bring it over, and then you can put your dirty dishes in the cupboard there that you just saw. Lovely, beautiful. I took some pictures, you know, girl. First, when you come in, it's the bathroom. Has some towels here. Shower curtain. Let's see what the shower's saying. Okay. This is just a basic hotel, to be honest. Got a big mirror here. Only one sink. Bit of toiletries. Tissue paper. There's the rest of the room. Okay, you have to turn on the lamp to get some light. Oh, okay. There you go. Have 2 double beds here in the room. Can't really show you the view. Klimaanlage. Air conditioning system. You've got a table, got some coffee and tea things here. Lamp, bin, mirror, TV. Got some cupboard space. This is what they have for Emancipation Day. Let's go to the other side. Tribute to our national heroes. Our Miss Jamaica. Slew. Our track and field stars, the map of Jamaica. Our queens. And our famous Jamaicans. Here is our hotel. So, we're off to the souvenir shop. Exhibit A, an ackee tree. It's not ripe yet, so don't pick it, but it's an ackee tree. Again today. We are at Sam's souvenir shop and we bought like a whole heap of things from here. We bought one of these dresses, let me show you. I actually love this dress. This is like, I bought this. And I bought myself this bikini. Guys, look. This crochet bikini and I can't wait to wear it. I'm gonna wear it when we go rafting. And I bought a few other things. And then they have like the Rihanna, you know, dress as well, rude boy dress. Yeah, obviously in the Jamaican colors they have so much other more things. Okay, then I bought some Pandora charms and they have other like Jamaican Pandora charms, and obviously you know you can't get it in the other stores.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Like Chinese one, so the clip that.
Here we were upstairs and they were playing some okay music, you know, maybe for the oldies and stuff. But downstairs, my sister and brothers, it was popping. Downstairs, it was popping off. My music, this is my genre, you know?
Come on, stop. Come on, stop. Let me get some butt cover. I stop eating that.
There was my breakfast the morning after, ackee and saltfish, some calaluting, potatoes, green banana, bacon, eggs, and dumpling. Yeah, man. So I'm a car rides fan. Like, I'm a rides fan. I love to look out the window. I love to see the scenery. It was lovely just to ride through the city and see, you know, the traffic moving, the people full of vibrancy, you know, doing their things, selling their products, going to work. It was super nice to see. Then you have KFC. Yeah, I loved the scenery. Absolutely loved it. And we need to give props to the people who drive in Jamaica. Boy, oh boy, I don't know how you guys do it, but wow. Because these windy roads ain't no joke. And one wrong turn, you end up in a gully. Okay, we're here now,
It's gonna be alright.
I only compare this. Oh, him come here.
They were serving up some real authentic Jamaican cuisine. Boy, that's all I can say. Flavors. And of course, Bay found me some coconut jelly. And you know, because I'm the coconut jelly, coconut water queen,
mosquito came and bit. Krystle, let me see where. Oh my goodness.
Oh man, trying to get the jelly out, guys. Okay, maybe I can put some gully.
Yeah, because it's going to rot and provide nutrition for the plants.